Silicones are widely used in the manufacturing of personal care products. Production starts with the extraction of quartz, containing silicon dioxide, which is reduced to silicon metal. After a series of reactions, a polymer known as polydimethylsiloxane, or PDMS, is formed. Synthesis of dimethicones typically begins with a cyclomethicone known as D4. Completed reactions still leave trace amounts of residual cyclics, including D4, D5 and D6. Cyclomethicones have come under scrutiny for their potential to bioaccumulate and are now restricted by the EU. Siltech has production methods that allow for cyclomethicone-free silicones. Siltech doesn't use D4, relying on monofunctional groups for the synthesis of the final product. Siltech's methods remove cyclomethicone from the reaction process completely, adhering to the strict regulatory standards and ensuring peace of mind for formulators desiring the premium performance of silicones.